All right, here we are today, back with ITOP and their fantastic SP5 gas plancha. Also, you can call them a gas grill if you like, all right? This comes with a fantastic, very durable enamel cooking surface. This enamel cooking surface is scratch resistant. So, your cooking tools don't have to be Teflon or silicone. You can actually use metal cooking utensils and you don't have to worry about scratching this. This is also non-stick. So, you don't have to pile the oils on just to cook your food. Okay, it's a non-stick surface, all right? And this one comes with 2 burners, okay? 2 burners. Our gas attachment is over here. This is a standard gas attachment here. Now, this is an outdoor plancha or gas grill. So, it is recommended that you use this outdoors. Now, over here, to turn this on, we come down and you'll hear a click, and that's the igniter, igniting the gas burner. Click, and it ignites the burner. Open it, and as soon as it's on, you can control your temperature on this burner. And of course the same thing on this burner. And these burners can be run independently. You don't have to use both at the same time. You can only use one side if you wish. Okay. Now, we also have an oil and grease tray. Now, this comes with a nice safety feature. If someone gets in a hurry and they're not paying attention, instead of pulling this out and this falling on them, this actually has a lock that prevents this from falling onto their legs. Okay? To get this out, we simply lift up, pull out, and out we go. We can empty our container. There we go. Back in. And again, if you're careless and you pull out, it's not going anywhere. It's not going to fall out onto your legs. All right. Nice little safety feature. Now, these gas burners are the equivalent. This one here, the SP5, the 2 burner, is equivalent to a 5 kilowatt electric gas grill. Okay. This plancha here is the SP7 with 3 burners. This is the SP10 4-burner gas plancha, or gas grill if you prefer. Okay, as you can see, 4 burners, all independent. You can use 1, 2, 3, or all 4 if you wish. All right, it is gas. All right, and our gas fitting is here. Uses a standard gas fitting. Okay, right around here. Here's the cover for it. Okay, and of course, our push to start these. Like most standard gas appliances, push in, turn until it ignites. You can hear the click. There's the click. It ignites. Let go, and then you can control your temperature here. Also, this one has a nice safety feature that the others also have. Just in case someone gets in a hurry and decides to pull this hot oil and grease tray out, it doesn't come out. Okay? It doesn't come out and burn your legs or your feet or anything else. Okay? You get this out simply by lifting up while it's all the way in, pulling out, and it comes out very, very easily just like this. And we put it back in the same way. Okay? Very good. ITOP SP10 4-burner grill with enamel cooking surface finish. Okay, scratch resistant, which means you can use metal cooking utensils and cooking tools. You don't have to use Teflon or silicone. You can use metal. Scratch resistant, and also very, very durable and non-stick. ITOP 4-burner grill, 4-burner plancha.